loves, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Amethyst and I'm a first-time mom to a beautiful baby girl named Elena. I make motherhood, lifestyle, and motivational videos here on YouTube, so if that is something that interests you, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a video. I would love to have you join my empire here on YouTube. Today's video, I'm doing something a little different, and I am going to tackle the mess that is my bathroom closet. So I am going to be decluttering and organizing my bathroom closet, so let's jump right in. Before I start actually decluttering the bathroom closet and organizing everything, I just wanted to show you guys the storage bins and the storage stuff that I got to actually organize everything. So everything that I'm about to show you, I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is my favorite place to go spend money because you can find such cute stuff, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money. So everything I'm about to show you, I probably spent maybe 21 bucks. And you guys, this bathroom closet is a mess. I know some of the stuff that's in there, but a lot of the stuff I have not even thought about looking at, and I just throw in there since me and Elena moved in this apartment almost 3 years ago. So it's about to be really interesting to declutter this. So I just wanted to get some different sized organizational and storage stuff. So the first thing I got is I got 4 of these little storage bins. They just are open and out and pretty long and deep enough, I think. And then the next thing I got was I got 2 of these little circular bins, and I'm thinking in here that I'm probably gonna put like my hand towels, my washcloths, because right now you guys will see they're just sitting on a shelf, just folded. They're not in anything. They're just like sitting there, which I don't really like. So I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna use these for, but we will see. And then I got 3 of these little storage bins that have a top. They're clear so I can see what's in them, so I thought that would definitely be useful. And then I got 5 of these little storage bins that I think I can definitely use, because I know I have a lot of toothbrushes, like for once I need to throw my toothbrush away, or if I have people over and they spend the night and they need a toothbrush. I have a lot of that kind of stuff, and just like miscellaneous little things thrown in my closet. And then I got, so this is kind of similar to these are just square and these are circular. So that is the stuff I got. So now to tackle decluttering. You guys, I'm almost embarrassed to show you guys this bathroom closet. It is horrible. Like, you see half of that stuff up there isn't even folded. I have sheets that again aren't folded because that is a fitted sheet, and I can never figure out how to fold those, so that is why that looks like that. I have a wig that is so old that probably just needs to be thrown out. And then basically I have these boxes that I got from my job when I was moving, and I was just throwing stuff in them instead of actually getting organizational bins. And then there's all this stuff on the floor. I have tissue, weights. There's just no organization. There is no method to the madness. This is not aesthetically pleasing at all. So we are going to fix this.
All right, you guys, so to just start my decluttering, I just decided that the easiest thing for me to do would be to go shelf by shelf. So thankfully, there wasn't anything to declutter on the top shelf, so I'm just putting my washcloths and rags in these bins, and I'm just kind of folding them a little bit better because, like I said, they've been sitting on that shelf, and I honestly was just throwing them up there. So I'm just kind of going through and folding what needs to be refolded and organizing them.
You guys, so as I'm decluttering, I'm sitting here trying to figure out what I want to do with these sheets. I think I'm going to put them in my laundry room. That seems like a smarter place for them once I figure out how to fold that fitted sheet. But I'm sitting here looking. I have never even opened these sheets before. Like, these sheets are brand new, never even been used, opened, nothing. And I use the same like 2 pairs of sheets every time on wash day, completely forgetting that I had these unopened sheets, which again shows you guys how much I pay attention to this closet.
You guys, do not judge me for this clip. As you can see, I was really struggling to fold that fitted sheet. And when I was folding the sheet, you guys will probably see me peek my head out, but a sock fell out of the sheet and I was just done, because that again shows you how much I have not paid attention to the things in this closet. Again, you guys, I'm just going shelf by shelf and figuring out what I want to throw away and what I want to keep. I will be going through those boxes again to see what I want to throw away and what I'm going to keep so that I can start organizing everything into the bins that I bought.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, 'cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Hey, I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't.
Now I'm just going to take a second to wipe these shelves down really good because, again, I have neglected this closet, you guys, for so long. I can't even remember the last time that I gave these shelves a good wipe down, and they were filled with so much dirt and so much dust. Elena's going to come in a second, and of course she's going to close the door on me while I'm trying to clean. But just before I put everything back into the closet and started trying to organize the things in the closet, I just wanted to give it a good wipe down.
Now that everything is decluttered and I wiped everything down and vacuumed and I've organized everything, I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of separated and organized everything. So in here I just have my blow dryer because it's pretty big, and then I have the attachments to my blow dryer. So this one is for when I want to blow my hair out pretty straight, and then this is a diffuser for when I want to wear it curly. The next bin, I use one of the clear bins, and I just have a bunch of like hygiene stuff. So there's some cotton rounds, there is nail polish remover, a face mask, some sanitary stuff, and then I have some shaving cream and my nail files in this one. Okay, and the next bin, it's another clear bin. I just have some more hygiene stuff, but it's like all of my stuff for my teeth. So extra toothbrushes, some toothpaste, floss, that kind of stuff, and like toothbrush holders. In this other bin, I just put like all of my stuff to do my hair. So there is these flexi rods that I just threw on top, and then I have like my hair straighteners, my hair wand, my hair curler, and then I'm pretty sure those are my brother's clippers, but I didn't want to throw them away, so I just left them in there. And this one is just a bunch of stuff for my hair, for like my natural hair. So there is some detangler stuff, a bunch of like gels and curling stuff that I use to get my curls popping a little bit more, leave-in conditioner, that kind of stuff. Last clear bin, there is some more stuff for my hair. So it's just like little sampler shampoo, conditioners, and then a bunch of bobby pins, hair pins, and hair clips.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu.
Oh my gosh, you guys, how much better does that look? It's decluttered, it's organized. Even Elena is so shocked that she can actually see the floor. So of course she's messing with the stuff. Hashtag mom life. But this looks so much better, you guys. Elena just closed the door. This looks so much better. The only thing that I think I want to add is that I want to get some labels to like go on top of everything so that I can kind of know what everything is. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, let me know. But I'm really excited and happy with how this came out. Guys, so I actually still had one of these bins left over and these little wire baskets. So I actually think that I'm going to organize this thing because again, no method to the madness, and I need to wipe this thing down. So we are going to organize this as well.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. Try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. From the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time.
Okay, you guys, again, so much better. I think it just looks better when it's not all just like out everywhere and it's kind of just a little bit more organized. So in this white bin, I just have some more of like my curl stuff to help my curls accentuate. I have like my edge control, my deep conditioner. The reason why like the other stuff that was in the closet is because I don't use that stuff as often. I pretty much always use this stuff. I always use my Style Factor edge control. I always use my extreme wet line. My Aunt Jackie's is in here, it's in the bag. Like this is stuff that I probably use on my hair like weekly, whereas that other stuff is like in case I run out of something. So then in here, this is like wash day stuff. So there's my leave-in conditioner, my conditioner, and then my shampoo. Right here, this is all Miss Jessie's like curl enhancer type stuff that I've gotten that I honestly still need to use, because if you can't tell, a lot of this stuff is like pretty full. Up here is just some oils, and then this is also some oils and like some mousse. So that looks much better than before. And you guys, I still have these bins left over. I'm thinking that I may take this stuff right here and put it in here and maybe put it underneath my bathroom cabinet, which is a whole other situation in itself that I probably need to declutter and organize under there. But just so that this space doesn't look so cluttered, I may put this stuff in there and then put it under the cabinet. All right, loves, that's it for today's video. I hope this video gave you tons of inspiration and motivation to do some decluttering and organizing in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up so that I can know to continue to create this type of content for you guys. Let me know down in the comments below any other organizing or decluttering tips that you guys may have, and also let me know down in the comments below because I want to add some labels to my organizational bins. So if you have any recommendations for anyone who does labels, please leave that down in the comments below. As always, strive for happiness, not perfection. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.